I would say do it straight away. Yeah, we hummed and hawed, and we were recommended to Rupert a few times prior to that. At the time we thought, was it something we can afford? But really, from our point of view, all we've got to think about is we just need to sell one more vehicle graphics or one more sign to pay for Rupert to come in, and it's worth every penny. Yeah, it was a bit of survival mode after COVID. That was the real thing after the sort of lockdown. We worked and survived through that, but actually we found it harder in the year or so after it. And it was just a bit of taking on every job we could just to build up the bank again and build up the client base again. Happy working the long days and long hours, and I try to be guaranteed to have the weekends off and put the work in during the week, but it was over running into the weekends at that point. And yeah, it really affecting everybody, the staff, all the staff. And you get tired and grumpy and and you get sick of sight of each other really. So that having someone in that could help me structure it all and just calm it down and focus and breathe a bit, take a step back and conduct it if you like. But every time I meet with him, I come out of the meeting calmer, better, more focused on the next quarter or even the next few weeks or the next few jobs even. There's just something about that meeting every fortnight that lets me reset and lets me think, stop getting carried away, stop getting worked up, just focus on what's there, and he just reminds you about that every time. He's always checking in, he's always making sure that we have, and don't get me wrong, we don't meet them all, and some of the goals we set aren't necessarily meant to be broken or completed right straight away. We're sort of looking at the longer term project, so we have our immediate goals, longer and then the long-term goals, and yeah, he checks in, but just knowing that he will check in at some point, or we will be meeting him again in 2 weeks, is enough for us to actually focus and get the jobs done. He knows what we're going through, he's been through it with other businesses, he knows the right path to set us on, and it's just about making us realise and not get too worked up in our emotions and our stress. So we found at the end of last year so many queries and so many quotes going out, but nobody pushing the button to go. So this year it's been quite chaotic and mayhem, but organised and structured, and certainly better than what we've had in the past. Yeah, profit's gone up. Like I said, our turnover certainly, I've not checked the full numbers, but our turnover on last year is up 35%, and I know we're spending less. Just on a month-to-month basis on materials. So yeah, when I get the figures and when I look at them, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be quite happy with them. I'm certainly happy. My other half would probably tell you that I've got a smile on my face a bit more than, and I certainly don't bite her as much as I used to.